In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an order on AliExpress without paying. This walkthrough shows you how to create an unpaid order so it sits in your account ready to be paid later. It's useful when you want to confirm variations, check shipping details, or lock in a quote without money leaving your account. Nothing ships or gets charged until you actually complete payment. Start by opening the AliExpress app or going to the website and sign in to your account. Being logged in ensures your addresses, currency, and region settings are applied correctly, which will keep prices and shipping options accurate. Next, choose the product you want. Open the listing, then carefully select the exact variation, such as color, size, and any other options, plus the quantity. This is important. The order you create will reflect these choices, so confirm everything matches what you intend to buy. Take a moment to review the shipping method and estimated delivery shown on the page so you know what to expect later when you actually pay. Instead of adding the item to your cart, tap or click Buy Now. This is what takes you directly to checkout and allows an order record to be created. Using Add to Cart won't create an unpaid order, it just saves the item for later. At checkout, review and confirm your shipping details. Make sure your address and contact information are complete and up to date. An accurate address helps avoid delivery issues after you decide to pay. Now select your preferred payment method, such as a bank card or an online payment option, but do not complete payment. This is key. You're only choosing how you would pay later. You are not authorizing a charge, and no funds should be taken at this stage. When you're ready, tap Place Order. If this option is available in your region and for the seller, the system will create the order with an unpaid status. No money is deducted, and the seller will not ship anything until you return to the order and complete payment. You'll typically see a countdown showing how long the order will stay open. If you don't pay within that window, it may cancel automatically. You can find the unpaid order in your orders section at any time. To review, adjust if the seller allows changes or proceed to payment. That's it. You've created an unpaid AliExpress order. Remember, availability of the place order before payment flow